show.
Oh, wasn't that Alphaboy brilliant bird? What a bee adventure. Balancing that baloney on his blue bike. Alphaboy's my hero.
Well, buddy, I'm glad you feel that way, because we have a special bee surprise for you.
Huh?
Ladies and gentlemen, and bee lovers everywhere, how about a big bee show? Hello to Alphaboy's baloney.
That's Alphaboy's baloney? My goodness.
Yes, and I have another bee surprise for you.
Alphaboy's blue bike?
Oh, I'll do you one better than that, buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big bee show welcome to Alphaboy.
Alphaboy here? Oh, look. He balanced the baloney in person.
Let him go. Well, did you like your bee surprise, buddy?
I can't believe it. Alphaboy was here in person. Oh, it's too much for one Snuffleupagus to take.
Okay. Take it easy there, Snuffy. Take a few deep breaths. Okay? You okay?
Yeah, it's just, Alphaboy for an Alphaboy.
Okay, though, now that Snuffy has recovered from his Alphaboy surprise, it's time for our very special bee guest, the letter B. I said, it's time for a very special guest, the letter B.
I don't see the letter B, Bird.
Is the letter B here yet, Victor? No, goodness, she's late. The letter B is not here yet. I wonder what's keeping her. Well, this looks like a good spot for a bee break, so we'll be right back with lots more bee fun here on the Letter B Show.
Thank you. I still can't believe that I met Alphaboy.